Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can create affiliate account of Booking.com, so let's jump right in. Step 1. Sign up on the affiliate program page. Go to the Booking.com affiliate program page on this link and click Join Now to start the application process. Fill out the required information about your website, business, and contact details. You'll be able to sign up via CJ for those located in Europe or AWIN, for those who are in Australia, Brazil, Latin America, North America, and Asia Pacific. Step 2. Verify your account. After submitting your application, Booking.com will send a confirmation email. Follow the instructions to verify your account and gain access to the affiliate dashboard. Step 3. Set up affiliate tools. Once approved, log into your affiliate account and explore available tools like banners, search boxes, and links. Customize these tools to match the style of your website or social media platform, making it easy for visitors to find relevant Booking.com offerings. Step 4. Integrate links and tools on your site. Copy and paste the provided HTML codes for banners or links onto your website or content channels. Placement is key. Integrate these in high traffic areas of your site to maximize visibility and conversion potential.